Ever wondered why some websites rank higher on search engines than others? Well, the secret sauce that adds flavor to their online presence is search engine optimization, or SEO for short. SEO is like the compass that guides web users in the vast ocean of digital content right to your online doorstep. It's a powerful tool that can dramatically increase the visibility and reach of your website. Imagine a world where your website is a book in a library. SEO is the librarian who recommends your book to readers. It does this through various ways, but three of the most important elements are keywords, the quality of your content, and the structure of your website. Keywords are like the signposts that guide search engines to your site. The quality of your content determines how long visitors stay, and the structure of your website ensures that they can navigate with ease. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the steps to optimize your website for search engines. Scene script. First things first, understanding your audience means knowing what they are searching for. Now let's dive into the world of keyword research. Imagine you're a detective on the hunt for clues. These clues are the words and phrases your audience uses when they're searching online. These are your keywords, and they're more powerful than you might think. Keyword research is like reading the minds of your audience. It's about figuring out what they want, what they need, and how they articulate those desires in the search bar. It's the first step in creating content that catches their attention, resonates with them, and ultimately drives them to your website. So how do you find these keywords? Well, it's time to bring out your virtual magnifying glass, keyword research tools. These tools can range from Google's Keyword Planner, SEMrush, to Ahrefs. They help you identify the most relevant keywords for your business by showing you what terms people are searching for, how often, and how much competition there is for those terms. But don't just look for the most popular terms. It's like trying to shout in a crowded room. You'll struggle to be heard. Instead, consider long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that people might search for. Think of it like this. Instead of shoes, someone might search for women's red high heels size 6. Not as many people will be searching for this, but those who do are more likely to make a purchase. And that's the beauty of long-tail keywords. They might not bring in as much traffic, but the traffic they do bring is more likely to convert. It's about quality, not quantity. Finally, remember to keep your keywords natural. Don't stuff them into every sentence. Search engines are smart, and they'll know what you're up to. Instead, use your keywords as inspiration, as a guide to what your audience wants to know. Remember, the right keywords can be the stepping stones to an effective SEO strategy. Scene script. Keywords are crucial, but they are not everything. Quality content is king. So, what does quality content mean? It's not just about crafting a well-written piece. Quality content is about delivering value to your readers. It's about creating content that is relevant to your target audience, content that is engaging, and content that is informative. But why is quality content so important for SEO? Well, first off, search engines love quality content. Google's algorithm has been designed to prioritize websites that provide value to their users. So, the better your content, the higher your chances of ranking on search engine results pages. Then there's the role of quality content in improving dwell time. If your content is engaging and valuable, your visitors are more likely to stick around and explore your site. This increases the time they spend on your site or dwell time, which is a key factor that search engines consider when ranking websites. Quality content also helps reduce your bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page. If your content doesn't deliver what your visitors are looking for, they'll leave. But if your content is relevant and valuable, they'll stick around, reducing your bounce rate and improving your SEO. Another major benefit of quality content is that it can increase backlinks to your website. Backlinks are links from other websites to your site. They're like votes of confidence from the online community, and are a key factor that search engines consider when ranking websites. If your content is high quality, other websites are more likely to link to it, increasing your backlinks and boosting your SEO. So, how do you create quality content? It starts with understanding your audience. What are they interested in? What problems are they trying to solve? Use this information to create content that answers their questions and meets their needs. Make your content engaging by using a conversational tone, telling stories, and incorporating visuals. Remember, your goal is to create content that provides value to your audience, because in the end, quality content can turn your website from a mere placeholder to a resource hub. Now that you have the right keywords and quality content, let's talk about on-page SEO. On-page SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages in order to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. It's all about making sure your website is as search engine friendly as possible. Let's dive into the key elements of on-page SEO. First, we have title tags. Think of your title tag as the headline for your page. It's the first thing that search engines and users see, so it's crucial to make it compelling and relevant. A well-crafted title tag can help increase click-through rates and improve your search engine rankings. Next up is meta descriptions. These are brief summaries of your web pages that appear under the title tag in search engine results. A compelling meta description can entice users to click on your page over others in the search results. While not directly tied to rankings, they play a key role in driving traffic to your site. Then we have header tags. These are the subheadings on your page, and they serve two main functions. First, they make your content easier to read and understand for your users. Second, they allow search engines to understand the structure of your content and what it's about. A well-structured page with clear header tags can significantly improve your SEO performance. Lastly, let's discuss URL structure. Your URLs should be simple, compelling, and relevant. A clean URL structure helps search engines and users understand what the page is about. Avoid lengthy URLs with unnecessary information and stick to those that are concise and easy to read. So, why is on-page SEO important? Well, it helps search engines understand your content and its relevance to a search query. It also provides a better user experience, making it easier for visitors to navigate and understand your website. Remember, the goal of on-page SEO isn't just to rank higher in search engine results. It's about providing valuable content that meets the needs of your users. Optimizing these elements can make your website more attractive to both search engines and users. What happens off your website is just as important as what happens on it. This, my friends, is the essence of off-page SEO, a critical component of a comprehensive SEO strategy. Off-page SEO refers to the actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results, pages, or SERPs. These actions aim to enhance your site's credibility, trustworthiness, and authority in the eyes of search engines and users alike. Now let's delve into the key elements of off-page SEO. First, we have backlinks. These are links from other websites that direct users to your site. The more high-quality, relevant sites that link back to you, the better your reputation in the eyes of search engines. It's like getting a vote of confidence from the online community. But remember, quality over quantity is the rule here. Links from reputable, authoritative websites are far more valuable than a large number of links from low-quality sources. Next, we have social signals. These are the likes, shares, votes, pins, or views your content receives on social media platforms. While social signals don't directly influence search rankings, they can enhance your online visibility and increase your content's reach, thereby indirectly influencing your SEO. Finally, we have brand mentions. These are instances where other websites, blogs, or social media users mention your brand or website. Even if they don't provide a link back to your site, these mentions still contribute to your off-page SEO. They signal to search engines that your brand is being talked about, which can boost your authority and credibility. So, how can you improve your off-page SEO? Start by creating high-quality, shareable content. Engage with your audience on social media. Build relationships with influencers and other relevant websites. And always monitor your brand mentions and backlinks to ensure you're maintaining a positive online reputation. Remember, your website doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's part of a larger interconnected web. Every interaction, every link, every mention counts. It's a constant effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Off-page SEO is about building trust and credibility in the digital world. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We began with understanding the undeniable power of SEO and how it can transform your digital presence. We then dived into the importance of keyword research, how it's the bedrock of any successful SEO strategy. We stressed the importance of creating quality content, content that is not just rich in keywords, but also provides value to your audience. We also discussed on-page SEO, emphasizing how every element on your web page, from your titles and meta descriptions to your images and URL structure, plays a significant role in your SEO performance. We then touched upon off-page SEO, highlighting how valuable backlinks, social media presence, and guest blogging can boost your website's credibility. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to improving your website's SEO. Remember, SEO is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. Keep learning, keep testing, keep optimizing,